I made these story videos, commentary voiceovers, and viral ranking videos in minutes. This is Viblo AI, an all-in-one tool designed to generate viral short-form videos like these. And in this video, I'll give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to generate different viral short formats using Viblo AI. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. After signing in, we'll click on Text Story. Here you will see several options: name, profile picture, card animations, and style. For this video, let's change the name to Michelle with a fade-in animation in the WhatsApp Lite style. Once that's done, the next step is to write our script for the text story. You can either write the story manually, paste your own script, or use AI to generate it. For this video, we will choose the AI option. To do this, give the AI the name of the topic, the tone for the messages, and the length, then click Generate Messages. The messages portray a pretty engaging story. From here, you can further edit the messages if you want, but for now, let's stick to these results. Next, you can add animations for how the messages appear, choosing from multiple options like Fade In, Bounce, or Fade In Left. After that, select the voices for the characters. Lastly, select the video you want to play in the background. There are plenty of options to choose from, featuring all types of gameplay common for this type of short-form video. Click on Generate the Text Story to start loading the output. After adjusting the animations and regenerating it, here's the final output.
Hey, did you see the message from our boss?
No, what message?
I think it was meant for someone else. Said something about a surprise office party?
Generating video stories is just as easy. Inside the video story section, the first step is to write a script and choose the social media widget for your story. You can choose a Twitter story template for this video. Next, choose the specific time for the widget to remain on screen before it disappears to continue the video. You can preview all the changes you make in real time on the right side of your screen. Add your preferred username and display name to show in the video. Once that's done, generate a story by giving the AI your topic name. Like in this case, I gave a post that haunted people for months. Set the tone and length accordingly and add your video hook and ending call to action. In the next tab, enable captions and edit them accordingly. You can set options like the template, font, stroke, background color, and exactly where you want the captions to appear by dragging them across the preview window. Next, choose your voiceover and background music. To match the narrative, you can choose serious music with a male voiceover. In the last step, select a background video. For this one, let's select some horror gameplay to match the vibes of the story. Hit Generate, and within a few minutes, you get the final output.
Some posts get deleted but aren't forgotten. Imagine scrolling through your feed when suddenly a cryptic message appears, sending chills down your spine.
Another viral video style that Viblo AI offers is the split video style. This format is much simpler to create. To start, just paste the link for the short-form video you want to use. You can source these clips from TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. For this video, we will use a clip from Mr. Beast. Just paste the URL and click Next. You can preview all your changes on the right side of the screen as you configure the project. Next, select a background video that fits well with the main clip you are using. Lastly, enable captions for the audience and edit the styling as per your preference. And that's it. Click Generate, and within a few minutes, your output will be ready.
Which is better for fan building, being a douchebag or being Mr. Nice Guy?
The results are consistent, the captions flow smoothly, and overall, a complete short video is made in just a few clicks. To create a voiceover commentary, start by pasting the link for the clip you want to use from either Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Once the video is uploaded, you can trim the footage and add sound effects as you like. For this example, you can add a mouse-clicking sound effect right at the start. In the next tab, turn the video loop option on. Once that's done, the next step is to write a script and select the tone and length for your commentary, just like you did for the previous short videos. Next, enable and edit the subtitles using the same formatting process as before. After this, add a visual shape to highlight something important in the video. You can use an arrow for this, dragging and scaling it to fit the specific area of the clip you chose. Configure the animation and timing settings for this step, defining exactly when and where you want the arrow to appear, then click Next. For the final step, choose your preferred voiceover style and background music. To ensure the new commentary is fully audible, you can turn off the sound of the original video during the commentary sections. And that's it. Click Generate Video Commentary and wait for the output.
So Mr. Beast is about to post a crazy video, which is actually the sequel to a previous one.
The final format is the viral ranking video. To start, input your title, such as ranking the top 3 most extreme weather conditions, and customize the font size and text color to emphasize your hook phrase. Next, add your content clips. 3 to 5 is the sweet spot, so we will use 3 for this video. Once all the clips are added, enable the custom playback option to shuffle and finalize your ranking order. Click Generate Video Ranking, and within a few minutes, your output will be complete. Viblo AI also allows you to generate completely original videos directly inside the platform. It utilizes the Sora 2 video model to bring text prompts to life. To use this feature, simply click Generate Videos, open the prompt box, and describe your scene. For example, you can type. Next, set your output count to 1, select your preferred duration and video orientation, choose the Pro Model option, and hit Generate. Within a few minutes, your video will be ready, delivering highly realistic and visually compelling results. You can use this workspace to experiment with different types of video styles depending on your project needs. Viblo AI also provides a short video editor. Here, you can either work on an existing process or upload a new video from your device. The editor provides you with tons of options like text boxes, video layers, animations, transitions, background music, and even voiceovers, which you can generate right on the spot using any voice you want. Once you are satisfied with the changes, you can preview them by clicking Preview. Once done, click Render and your video will be downloaded. Finally, let's discuss pricing. You can start with the 7-day free trial and test these features using the 25 included credits. To use tools like auto clipping, you'll need a paid plan, with the starter plan starting at $25 per month. Overall, Viblo AI is a strong option if you want to publish content without spending time on heavy editing. In just a few clicks, you can produce videos that are designed to retain viewers. So try out Viblo AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another helpful AI video, check out this video next.